I did not explain this to you. Once you S1 OPT IMP, I said here save mode true, right here, right? Meaning that the important data are saved. So where it is saved in the JSON format, which is a standard format of Python, but we use it. So you can consider this format as a checkpoint file of Gaussian. Gaussian has a checkpoint file that saves all the important data, but we did it the same thing here. So all the important, this is a text, but it's weird, so you don't need to read it. So what I would do, because that has almost all information of previous calculations. So guess I just specify the file. Please read as one OPT JSON file and continue geometry optimization equal true, meaning that from the last geometry, please continue on the geometry optimizations. You don't need to touch the others. So then you just say that OQP run again as one OPT, second IMP run. So this is then this will run again. Okay, then you can say it will be you can just check whether this is as I said, OPT status txt, the same name, but now the second trial of geometry optimizations. As you can see that already the energy change is very small, but it tried to optimize the structure until you got a very small number.